then. Okay, so I'm recording. So hi, Ethan. Thank you for being a guinea pig. And Ethan's having a problem. He's got everything working, but you said it sounds distorted. Your sounds sound distorted. So
yeah.
So probably, what do you think? Like probably they're being started over and over again, right?
Yes, that's exactly it.
Every time I realize I was saying to the class, every time you use .start or .loop, same thing. It's a needle drop. And so, but it sounds like you're just starting again. What it is, it's a needle drop on a record and then another needle drop on another record. So you're starting multiple instances. So they're like 1,000 instances of this song playing. Anyway, let's see what you got. So do you want to show me your program though? Can I see it work?
I can try to do it without the sound playing.
I don't mind even, it's not going to hurt my eardrums.
Actually, I would recommend you put the volume pretty low.
Okay.
If that's the case.
All right. Remember, I was in a punk rock band for like 30 years, okay?
Well, I'm using headphones, so it's not that.
I like the way it sounds.
It's not. Yeah, I'm just using headphones. Sorry. Just okay. So here we go. Oh god. Wait a minute. It should work. What did I do? Okay. Now this isn't. I have it on a live server. What?
Oh, yeah.
Preload.
Emily and I got that message yesterday.
Well, it was just working yesterday, too. Do I really have to put... I guess I'll have to put it on preload again.
And your assets folder is capitalized?
Yes, I made sure that it was the right capitalization.
Okay. Yeah,
okay.
We had to put the load sounds in the preload because we were getting that error. And then we had to well, you'll see. So let's, unknown rejection. Ooh, look at that. Cool.
Okay, no sound is playing, but maybe that's because I probably turned it off, or no, it should be playing. Weird. Okay, well, the sound's going to get messy after I click on this.
Okay.
Oh, no. Oh, crap. Okay, yeah, for some reason, that happened. And I don't know why my frame rate is going down so badly. But...
All right, let's take a look. And I don't hear anything. It looks funny, though. Did you draw those?
I don't know if I turned my volume down, so I don't know what just happened.
All right. Okay, let's see your code. All right. Hit Atom Beautify first of all.
All right.
That's Atom Beautify?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Scroll over. Yeah, I see. Scroll over all the way to the left there in your code so I can see you see how your scrolly bar thing at the bottom is?
Yeah, it's not being responsive right now.
Do you want to quit out of? You have an awful lot of stuff running, Ethan. Quit out of some of your stuff.
Yeah. I had an Illustrator up.
Yeah. And Spotify, get rid of that stuff. Here, I'll pause the recording.
Currently.
Okay. All right, I started recording again. Let's look. Oh, there's.
Whoa,
that's nice.
Yep, there we go.
What?
There we go. You hear that?
I don't hear it.
Did you hear that playing?
No, I wonder if I'd hear it.
Okay, I just heard the needle.
It's
Yeah.
All right, well, it looks like there's another something that's undefined too. So let's look at your code. Everybody's so
Okay.
embarrassed about their song is playing too much. They're like, oh, I'll turn it down.
Oh,
Okay, let's see your code. Excuse me, I should be wearing a mask. All right, let's see, there's your preload has got your load sounds, and I think we decided that's a good thing to do. Very good. And your setup has got your load images, your load image eye. You've got image mode center, that's nice. Okay, in your setup here where you have image like line 37, I don't know if I'd have that. That's displaying an image for like a split second, not even a split second. So that image command is actually, I don't know what that's showing. So I'm not sure why you have that there. I think you should take that out.
yeah, I think you're right. Actually, I think I had it initially as a copy paste to for some reason for the frog, but
Okay,
never mind.
that's fine. Put a semicolon after that line 36. Okay, and here line 40 through 42, you're spawning cars. That's nice. Go up to the top. Let me see something. I want to make sure that max cars is,
I put it at 1
yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. That's
because because for some reason I can't get all the cars, like they just disappear off screen, but somehow I don't get all of them. So it's like I'm just gonna go with 1 if that's gonna happen.
Oh, we're going to fix that too. Put 5 in there. Okay, go down. This is great. Okay, let's see the setup. We're still at setup. I should have my reading glasses on. Okay, so we're spawning, about 5 cars now. And then that line 41 looks good. And there's your frog position. That looks good. Text align center, I love it. Okay, now we're in the draw. And, ooh, what did we start my state at? 0 probably? That's probably initialized at the top to 0.
Wait, yeah, let me. Nice.
Because that,
Yeah,
my state equals 0.
yeah, on the over here on the variable.
Yeah, yeah. All right. So so tell me where you want music to play. Do you want music to play at the menu and then different music in the game?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So music in the menu. This is what Emily and I figured out yesterday. You cannot. Let's see. You've got your line 58 there. Commander play. That's probably your music, your menu music. But when this program runs, it's going to just keep like right at the beginning, it's going to keep looping in case 0 over and over and over again. It's okay to loop and play the image. Now don't put it in case 1 either. So we've got to find these weird crafty ways to hide these play and stop commands. So take that out. Yeah. So we want to have commander play happen once and then we don't want that to happen again. So we're going to make a case -1. So in the draw loop. So right above case 0, make a case -1. Kind of like a kludge. And there are other ways to do this too, but this worked for us really well. Okay. And then in here's where you put commander.play. That's your beginning menu music. And you know what? We wrote commander.loop. So it would loop. So you probably want it to loop, right? Yeah.
Yes.
I think play and loop are the same. It's just that loop will make that when it finishes, it'll loop again. Okay, now take commander play out of case 0. Good so far. All right, now after line 53.
All right.
Okay, we don't want it ever to hit case -1 ever again. So now you can do my state equals 0. So it'll start your loop, your music loop, and then the next time it comes through this code will be in case 0. Good. After this, good. After this, put a break.
A break?
Break statement. Make that curly bracket, get that curly bracket out of there.
You mean that? Sorry, what do you mean by break?
Okay, delete, semicolon, hit return. Write the word break. Yeah, semicolon.
Oh, I'm sorry. I totally forgot this was the case.
Yeah, and then hit a return so you have a nice, yeah. Okay, all right. So now we got to get the program to go to case -1. And once it hits case -1, it's going to go to case 0 and it'll loop in there. So at the top where you've initialized my state, let's initialize it to -1 instead of 0. So all the way at the top. Yeah, -1. Okay, now I am hoping that when you play it right now, your menu music is going to play. So save it and let's see. And open in browser won't work.
Oh, right. Live.
Load.
That's right. It's live server.
Yeah, I'm going to put this Nutella away. This is if I have this here, I'll just dip my head in it.
Oh yeah, the Nutella. Okay. So far, nothing's playing, but for some reason, it took some time for it to play.
That's the other thing. If it's a really big file, it might take a long time to load, but MP3 is usually not that big. So right click on the back. Let's see if we're getting an error.
On the button now?
Yeah, right. Let's see if we're getting a constant.
Oh crap. That's happened. Yeah. Oh, the music. Oh, there we go. It works.
Is the music playing?
Yes.
Okay. I don't hear it.
Oh,
your headphones on.
okay. Then I guess I should take my headset off.
Well, just for a second, I want to hear it. I want to know that it works.
Unmute your speaker. Okay. So it should be playing after I refresh. Oh no. Okay. It was playing the second time.
Because I'll bet you had to click it.
Oh.
Man. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's another thing too. All right. Are those weird 3 lines in your code? The sound started thing?
Okay, I'm sorry. There was music playing.
Okay. All right. Let's look at your code again.
Hi. Music just keeps playing, and for some reason I can't access. Okay, it's working. It's working right now. It's working properly. I'll just say that. Okay, I'm just gonna turn the music off because it just keeps playing.
Oh, don't turn it off in there. You can just mute. Oh, don't do that.
Oh, mute?
Yeah, mute the tab. You know how to do that in your?
Specifically, I guess not, unless, oh, mute site.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, because we need it on. And now you've got 5 little guys moving around, so that's good. Okay, so.
Yeah, it's just, yeah, okay.
Do you have the sound started, touch started, whatever that thing is, all at the way at the bottom? Do you have the 3 magical audio lines? And I think you should add those in maybe. So I don't know where you'll have them in some other sound. Yeah, look at your sound in folder. I can see it up there. Yeah, go to sketch.js in sound in. Go down a little.
Yep, yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Touch. Yeah, get that.
All right.
I don't. Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah, you just put it in there. Cool. Okay. All right. So are you telling me, because I couldn't hear it, you're telling me that when you started this program, the music was playing?
Yes.
Okay.
In the first case, it was playing just fine.
Okay. The menu, the welcome menu, it was playing.
Mm-hmm.
It took a second to start. Okay. All right. I'll believe you. So let's look and see now we gotta stop it, right? When you go to the game, we need it to stop. So let's look for your mouse released. Yeah, look for your mouse released in your.
I probably had it in state mouse.
Yeah. Ugh. Is that your?
What?
Is that your MP3?
No, I was just.
Yeah.
copy and pasting the mouse release thing.
No, I think you have a mouse released in here already. You probably have a mouse. I'm sure you have one.
Oh, yeah. Actually, you're probably right.
I'm always right.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, good. So take that other one out.
Oh, I didn't put it in, so.
Okay, good. Excellent. So if we're in case 0, that's your menu case, and they click the mouse, it goes here to line 93. It goes my state equals 1. So right before that, let's stop your menu song. So after line 92 and before line 93, let's add another line. Yeah. So we want to stop that song. I think it's called Commander.
Mm-hmm.
Just Commander. I think that that either stop or pause, parenthesis, and then some, yeah. So that'll stop it right before it goes to your game. Shall we try it?
Sure.
Yeah, I think you should. So remember, you'll have to unmute.
Yeah, that worked.
Okay.
That worked.
All right, so far so good. Now we need a song to play during the game.
Yeah, and I guess I had one, but it keeps going on that needle.
It keeps making more instances of it. I gotta stop saying needle drop. Okay, so yeah, so you know you don't want it in there because it's your game is playing. So cut that out of there. You can use your Control X to cut that. So where are we gonna put that? Now we want it only to happen once. So you know what? Yeah, are you getting ready to put it right at line 92, right after line 92? Because that's where you should put it. Right after you stop Commander, you want to start the next song. I'm terrified that the stopping and starting isn't going to work like that, but let's try it.
Okay, I saved it, so.
Okay.
Okay, that works.
Woo!
Yeah, that works just fine, actually.
All
That
right.
actually, yeah, that's fixed the problem. That's funny.
So far.
That's funny. Okay.
It's not funny. It's science. Computer science. Okay. So next, so now we want to stop this space. We want to stop that at the right time, right?
Yeah.
So we want to stop it. What do you have, a win and a lose
Yeah.
songs too? Okay. All right. So we want to stop it when they get triggered to go to win, and you want to stop it when they get triggered to go to lose. We're not clicking. They're not gonna click
actually,
and
you're
get
right.
there. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So it's pretty.
Okay.
Let's see if you can figure out what triggers it to go to the. I don't think that's it either. You're definitely you know what? Here's a secret. I think for all of you guys, anybody who's watching this, you're not going to want any music commands in your draw loop, unless it's like a one-off, like any of these things where it loops. You're not going to want them in there. So how does it know to go that the person lost?
Well, I got case 2, which is like the victory one.
That's okay. How does it know to go to case 2?
When I guess we got all the game pieces.
So where do we know that? Where, like, what line of code tells us, oh yeah, it's time to go to case 2? Yep. It's 136. So right before my state equals 2, inside this, the spicy brackets, as my kid calls it, I think that's the best name, right inside there, right before my state equals 2, that's after, go right before, just, it doesn't really matter actually, but line 137 is, yeah, hit a return. Awesome. Okay, where were we? We want to stop the game song. So whatever game, best dot stop. Awesome. And then we want to start the winning song.
I think I had it. I'm just trying to remember. Yeah, there we go.
Awesome. Okay. All right. So that's going to see, because that only happens once. Car's length. Okay. We're going to stop. We're going to go to my state 2. Awesome. Okay, now, how do we know? That's how we know we won. How do we know we lost?
I mean, yeah, which code would tell us that?
Yeah.
I guess this.
That is, yeah, they lost. Well, they get there when they lost.
Mm-hmm.
Wait a minute. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, that's in the mouse released. So
Okay.
is that mouse released? Yeah, that's mouse released. Good. Okay. So let me think that through here. So that's after like they've been in the lose. They contemplated their loss and they're clicking to start again. So how do we go? Where does the code go right before it goes to the lose screen?
Shoot.
What makes us realize we lost?
Function game. I'm sorry. I really am trying to think here.
This is really hard. I usually just tell people the answer, but I'm making you.
Yeah, I'm fine with that, honestly. But
Well, you're the game designer. How do the people lose? They won when they collected all the cars. How do they lose?
wait. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so here. I mean, here. This is where we were saying that they won,
Yeah.
but
You'd think it would be somewhere in there, and it's not. It's the timer when the timer runs out, remember?
yeah, well, you say that.
Yeah, where's the timer code? It should probably
Next
be
timer.
in the game, but it's not. So
Well, there's the one up there on top, but the next one.
there's one. So this is like, yeah, there it is right there. There's where they're looping the game, and then that was
Yeah.
stuck a timer there. The timer could be in the game, and actually this is a terrible place. One day I'll explain to you guys all why this is a bad timing thing, but today I won't. Oh, very good. Make sure you stop the game one, the spec.stop.
Right. What the heck? It's failure. Yeah.
Okay.
Stop.
Failure though, right?
Stop.
Stop.
And then.
Yeah.
Wait, start. Start. It's start. Yeah. So I guess ideally.
Or maybe loop, failure.loop, or.
Honestly, start. I think will be fine. It doesn't need a loop.
Okay.
Maybe I'll try it out now.
Works, yeah. Now you're gonna have to win and you're gonna have to lose.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose for sure. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know what's up with the audio. I unmuted it and it's not. Whatever. Okay, I guess I'll lose. So yeah, sound is playing properly, although it's a bit loud. So I'll have to adjust the volume. Okay, I'm not sure what just happened.
Right click on the back. We got an error. So that's cool. So inspect.
Right click on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Let me go in the comps. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm opening it up. What the heck?
Oh my God! What is all that? Something's wrong.
44.
Me?
Huh?
It's WEE. Oh, the week. Oh, sorry. Week MP3. Week 13 MP3 error. Network request failed. One of your songs may not be there.
I mean, it was playing, I think, before, but
I think one of your songs is not being found.
Weird. I'm gonna double check. So I just had it. Let's see. It's in here. I have 1, 2. Yeah, I got my stuff here. This is MP4, but the other 3 are MP3s.
Yeah. Can you click on them in Atom here? Because I want to see their.
Oh, what do you mean click on them?
All right. Yeah. Find them in there. Okay. Good. All right. So I'm going to look over. Some of them are capitalized, others are not. Wow. Failure.mp3, borealum.mp3, Best Marines, mp4, and Commander mp3. Well, that's all well and fine. But it crashed. You know what? Actually, here, run it again. And while you're playing the game, I want to see if those weird errors are there. Oh yeah, look. What is all that? Something's undefined. Go to the top of all these errors. I'm not happy with these. Can you scroll up in that?
That's the top. That's the top that I can get
top
to.
There. Okay.
Yeah.
Dev tools failed to parse source map. Does any of that make any sense to you at all?
I'm just trying to think. Source.
Well, I don't. That's definitely something's unhappy. Can I have control your screen?
Sure.
You allow that? How do I do that? Let's see. Wait, I gotta get us how to.
Stop sharing.
Okay. Oh no. Yeah, no. Do the screen sharing again. Okay.
Remote control, I see.
Yeah, request. There it is. Request remote control.
Okay, I'm giving you control, I think.
All right, cool. All right, what is all this? Ooh, it's not giving me. Let me try it again. Request remote control. I think we both gave me permission at the same time. Click to start remote control. Okay. Can I control your? Oh yeah.
Yes.
There. All right. Yeah. What is all this? Something's not happy. All this makes me nervous. So, since it's like a bunch of really like I can't tell what that is. So look at it saying cannot find. Do you see how this says week 13/mp3?
Yeah.
Why is it looking for that, I wonder? So here, let's click on your Atom. Why? What's making it look for that? I didn't see any of that in your code. I mean, so something that I might suggest at some point is we may end up like commenting out a lot of your code to see if we can make that stop. But before we do that, I'm going to look to see if there's anything missing out of oh, look at this. What is this?
What's it?
Oh, that's right. Yeah, it's there.
Images, yeah.
Yep, it's there. Image mode center. Yeah, I wonder what's causing this. Okay, it was happening right at the beginning too. You were getting all those errors, right?
I suppose so.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I don't like. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording.
It's not a function.
Okay, failure start that is not a function. Okay, well that's. We realized why the directory was called mp3. It's because the directory is called mp3. Yeah. Start is not a.
Maybe I should put it on loop.
Since when is start? Oh, play.
Play. What I should put on play? Yeah.
Yeah, try that. That's why it died there.
Yeah, so this should work now, but this is still pretty loud. I swear I'm gonna try to use the volume slider.
I can't hear it, so it's not a problem for me. Oh!
Did you hear that?
No, I didn't hear anything.
Okay, good.
Did
Because
you win or lose?
I lost. So so the sound there was on the repeated instance.
Oh yeah, look at your, okay. So where are we now? Go scroll up a little bit. This is your draw. Yeah, go down a little bit. All right, go down a little bit more. Okay, here's where so that's only going to happen once. You stopped space, you started play. We were going to my state equals 3. Go down a little bit more. Yeah, take this, got to take line, yeah. And then also line 80. Get that out of there.
Okay, maybe let's see if that did anything.
Oh, that's going to do something.
All right, I'm gonna lose again.
Then we'll change it to having just one and then you'll win.
Okay, that worked. Yeah, that totally worked, actually.
Okay.
I think, I'm gonna test to see what happens after I win. No, come on. Oh my God. Now, see, like, there's none left.
Oh yeah, I noticed that in your code, right? Let's figure out, that's happening to some people too. Okay, let's go to your code. Let's go to the car class. Go on the bottom. Let's see the driving of your car class. Okay, here we go. Down more. It's going to be in here somewhere, 174. If the position X is greater than width, we set it to 0. Oh, you got to put a dot between the S and the X there.
Oops. So
If
now that should fix everything.
0, then width. If it's greater than height, then 0. If it's less than 0, then height. Yeah, that should work. Okay, now you'll be able to win your game.
Ideally, yeah. Yep, it works.
And the sound too?
Yes.
Okay, now click on it. Now, I don't think we fixed it so that we need to stop. We need to stop the sounds.
Oh.
Probably your lose sound is still, or your win sound is still going.
Oh, it's only like 10 seconds long, so I didn't. Okay, I didn't.
Hmm.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, let's fix it. So then,
All right.
when they click to go away from the win and the lose screen, let's stop all the sounds. So let's go to your code. This is the last thing.
Actually, my sound just only played once, and then there's nothing playing after that.
That's because you set it to whatever, play instead of loop.
I would say okay, so it's not really music, it's just like victory sounds or whatever. It's
okay. When you won the second time, it didn't play the victory sound?
Oh no, it did. I meant is I don't want it to loop.
Oh,
I just want to play it once every time that you won.
Okay. Is it doing that now or?
No, it just played. Yeah, it played once, and then there's no music, but I'm fine with that.
You're happy with that. Okay. But I still, okay, all right. So then you're saying you don't really want to do the stop. What about the lose? Is the lose only 10 seconds too?
It's like 18 seconds, but I'm fine with it not looping as well.
Can we just okay, you don't have to change this, but let's look at your code just for anybody who's watching this who wants that music to stop. The lose screen or the win screen music to stop. That will be in the mouse released. So, and I think that in case 2 in the mouse released here, that's when they won. And so right after line 107, like right before line 108, I would stop your song. I would stop the win song, but you don't care about that. But if I would just suggest that you can.
All right.
I think you can. I think you should, just just in case you get bigger, longer sounds. Okay. And then you might, they're just about to launch back onto the menu. Don't check it. We're gonna add a little bit more before I forget. Right now, like you see the next line, at the next line, when they hit that, the next time it hits the draw loop, they're gonna be in the menu again, the welcome screen. So start your welcome screen music here. So right after that line, do welcome menu screen music. What was it? I forgot. Commander?
Yeah.
Yeah, commander.loop. Yeah. Okay, and then same with case 3. In case 3, this is, again, you're inside. They only hit this when they've clicked the mouse. So right before line 122, you should stop your, the lose song.
I'll be honest, the menu one I had in mind is like 3 minutes long.
Okay, but it won't be playing. You've stopped it, so
Right.
it won't play again when you go back to it unless you type in commander.loop. And loop is the same thing as play. It's just I have been using loop. So right after this line, just do commander.loop or commander.play if you want to. I'd do commander. Yeah, I think. Okay. This should be it. Should work.
All right. Okay, I guess I'm gonna lose to see what happens.
Oh my God.
Is someone calling?
That's my mom.
All right, it's still
Oh,
playing. Just waiting for it to finish.
Why am I looking at, I'm not looking at our window here.
Okay, so only like the failure music played, but the Commander one didn't really play at the end.
Well, it should play when you go back to this menu.
Oh, it did. It did.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll only start when you go back to this menu.
Oh, I think I understand what you meant by that now.
Yeah, yeah. Like this is, to me, you've got music for this menu, you've got music for every menu. Like you've got music for like welcome, and you've got music for game, you've got music for you won, and you've got music for you lost.
Okay, that totally makes sense. I get it now.
Yay.
I was thinking about some. I thought you meant something else.
Okay.
Yep, it works. Yes.
Awesome. I'm sad I can't hear it, but I'll hear it when I grade it, I guess.
Yeah, but I think I'm going to lower the volume. Okay, I know you're used to loud volumes, but I think I'm going to do it in case you're using headphones or something because.
Okay. All right. I don't know what all of this other weird promise stuff is, but whatever. Maybe we won't worry about it. And how big are your image files? Because they should be like teeny, like 10K.
It's like 70. That's like 268.
Yeah, you could probably make them really tiny, and then your game will go faster. Like compress them in Photoshop. Let's see, how big is it? 137. Is that that's a screen. That one's okay, but the dudes who are moving around.
Yeah.
Yeah, like how, yeah. Just your actual game pieces should be tiny. Which are your game pieces?
These two dudes.
So how big, let me see Boreal. How big is he?
Come on. He's like 260.
Yeah, 260. Yeah, you could probably make that. Oh, look, it's 843 by 653, but you're resizing it, right?
I guess.
Yeah. What do you resize? Look at your code. What are you resizing it to?
I resized it to, hang on, my frog. Where's my frog?
40 or 50 or something. It's
Like
not, yeah. That's that guy. All right. So you can resize that in Photoshop to 100 by 100 and your game will run faster. And then your cars, what are, like your cars sizes?
I also resize them too.
Yeah. It'll run much faster. Yeah, because once you start using images, I think it'll run faster. They should be like 5K, 10K or something like that. All right, good.
Yeah, so the sound starts to play just fine and honest. And I think all that's left is I want to change the fonts, but I can do that on my own. And I can also use the sound slider to adjust the volume too.
Okay. Hey, I'm gonna stop recording. I'm gonna thank you, but we'll still talk afterwards. Thank you so much for letting me record this, because everybody else is gonna need to know this stuff. So let me stop recording.